I'm going to be a little bit more quiet now. I thought I'd hang about in Worsted Woods for a minute and maybe hear some birdsong. So I just thought I'll be quiet and you might be able to hear what's going on. You hear them? They're all having nice little chats. Hear that? It's like a little chorus. Sounds all lovely and serene. All the little birds. I'm actually stuck, wrapped round 2 leads with 2 collies as well. So I can't move. I'll try to extricate myself. Oh, some interesting birds, isn't there? We'll walk along a little bit further and see what else we can hear. Sorry, Ben. See what else you can hear. Can you hear that? Give me a wee thumbs up or a yes if you can hear the bird songs. It's lovely. So quiet. They're all chirping away as if nothing's happening. They're certainly not worried about me being here. Lovely, lovely noise. I just wish I knew what they all were. There's a noisy one. That one should certainly be in the choir. Lots of chirping. I can see a few of them up there. So lovely. I hope you enjoyed all that bird song. I hope you could hear it.